Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to connect two pairs of headphones to your Mac simultaneously, so together. And first of all, what you need to make sure of that is that your headphones that you want to use together are connected with your MacBook over Bluetooth. So you need to see here a disconnect button because they need to be connected already both. So as you can see, I'm using AirPods and JBL Live headphones, two pairs of headphones. After that, you're gonna have to find and launch Audio MIDI Setup app. So you can either search it in your Finder or you can go to your Launchpad. You will see Other and you're gonna click Audio MIDI Setup right here. Now I already created it, so let's maybe do it like that. Okay, so you're just gonna click plus sign and you're gonna create multi output device, and after that you're just gonna check the boxes of the headphones you want to use together, and that's basically it. You can also configure speakers, but yeah, that's basically it. And that's how you pair both of the headphones together on your MacBook. So if this video was helpful, guys, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Bye.